Welcome everyone this morning to a very important session here where employees of the city have done a very fine job at their position, and at this time we're going to somewhat reward them about some of the things that they've done. First, I'm going to ask Chief Moore if he can come up, and as Chief Moore is coming up, I'm going to ask Brandon Davis, Animal Control Officer, if he would also come up.
It's a certificate of achievement. Brandon has served with the City of Enterprise for 10 years now. He plays an integral part in our animal control, from catching cats, dogs, foxes, I'm sure alligators are in there, any type of animals. He's also assisted the public in eradicating some problem animals that we have, and he does an exceptional job. He's one of two, but he's leading the way in teaching and mentoring in the second person, and I look forward to him continuing to serve in the City of Enterprise.
Okay, and we have here, Brandon, a certificate of achievement. It says, presented to Brandon Davis by the Office of the Mayor of the City of Enterprise, in appreciation for the dedication to the City of Enterprise with 10 years of loyal service. I'd like to present this to you and to thank you for your services.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
David Keith Lindley, otherwise known as Keith by any of the kids that he has been around when we were growing up and raising our children. Keith Lindley is the Canine Officer for the City of Enterprise. Currently he's the only Canine Officer, and I can say unequivocally that he is one of the best Canine Officers that we've ever had. He's dedicated to the job, he's dedicated to the animals, to the care, to the training. I can't tell you how many hours that he has sunken in his own life to take care of any animals that we have, any equipment, any canines, from training to just caring for them. And again, I hope to, and I look forward to continuing to serve with David Keith Lindley for years to come.
Okay. All right. Keith, we have a certificate of achievement, and it says, presented by the Office of the Mayor of the City of Enterprise in appreciation for the dedication to the City of Enterprise with 10 years of loyal service. Congratulations.
Thank you, man. It is a great honor to have James Foster with my department. He's one of my facility maintenance supervisor. Tell you what, James is a go-to person and a know-how. I can't believe it's been 15 years, James, but yeah, he's a jack of all trades, pretty much. You know, I can give him a demonstration on how to build something, and on like the cartoon pictures, but he can make it as a really nice facility to build, and we do appreciate James with his expertise and know-how. It's definitely beneficial for my department and for the city.
Okay, and we also have a certificate. Before I read that certificate, James, I just want to say, Billy, this is the first time I've ever seen him still. Every time I see him, he's moving. He don't usually stand still, so this is as long as I see him, I'm like this. Right. But we do have a certificate of achievement here presented to James Foster by the Office of the Mayor of the City of Enterprise in appreciation for the dedicated services to the City of Enterprise, to the Rec Department, for 15 years of loyal service.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Booth.
And again, I would like to thank Chief Moore and his staff for the job that you do, Billy, for the job that you do, and to the honorees on receiving your certificate. So we will be back 20 years and 30 years to make the 30-year presentation. So again, thank you all, and do have a good day.